Come on, Quigs. Hikoi o te kuri. Ka pai kuri. Oh, looks like it might be faster to have no shoes on. That lady's taking off ahead of us. Oh wow, this beach is crowded full of people. Oh, this is not the way to where I want to go. And I think this is the beach that I was talking about. We're not allowed dogs. Yeah, look, there's a sign right there. Dogs prohibited on the beach at all times. There's the exit. Yeah. Hi, what? Hello. Come on, Quigley. Good boy. Alright, let's go quickly so we're not on this hot pavement for too long. Good on them for having designated dog-free beaches, because honestly that encourages people to use the beach more, because no one wants to be hanging out at the beach worrying about dogs running around. Oh, I'm glad we're not walking down there. It's full of people not wearing much clothes. Any fantastic birds out there?
Not really, just
seagulls, lots of seagulls.
seagulls. Yeah.
Okay, crossing. Are you guys going up the track?
No, we're going to drive away, but we didn't think we'd ever seen this before. Yeah.
Oh right. I didn't know it was here.
Yeah.
I just wondered if you were going up or had been up.
Yeah, no, it's one of the tracks I haven't been up before.
Oh. Yeah, same. That's why we're here.
It links up to. Oh, you got a big picture where it all goes in that?
I looked at the map, and I saw it on the map. I was like, oh, that doesn't look too hard. Yeah. I know it's going to be steep.
Bit of a climb, I suspect.
Oh.
Yeah. We need the dog to drag you up there a little bit.
He does. He does like to help me up the hills.
Yeah. Yeah. Claim this part of town as well,
He's claimed a lot of places around Wellington, that's for sure. We get around. Thanks, see ya. Oh, the soggy end, occupied by folks. Park bench level 4 on the railing. Picnic. Huh? Oh, bye. Is this the end? The end? It is the end. Is there? Oh, there is a track there. Oh, where does that lead to? I think I'm going to do the safe thing, because that looks real encroached upon by the wilderness. I'm going to do the safe thing and just go back the way we came. Especially since that's where the best photography of where our house bus is parked, because I want to get some good images of that on the way back.
Down that way?
Eh?
Can't get down that way?
Yeah, I don't want to though. Looks too encroached upon by the wilderness. I'll get my legs all scratched up or whatever. Lots of gorse there too, huh? Thank you. Hikoi o te kuri. You made it. Oh wow. I'm just resting, waiting for that young woman to ascend the stairs ahead of us. I'm not in the mood for overtaking. I'll just have it actually put a pause in the recording right now. I'll be right back. Right, well, because of this sign, I've decided it looks like we can go this way instead of the way that we came. We'll see a different trail on the way back. What are you doing over here? What's wrong with your eye, bud? Looks like he's got an infection. We've never had an unfriendly encounter with any dog, but this kind of dog is one of the scarier looking ones. But he seems actually very peaceful. Just tried to pee on my dog. Kuri, hariatu, hariatu. Get back. Come on, he's still at his balls. Took me a little while to notice that. That was what we call, in the law books, a whole dog.